Hi everyone, continuing the MIG mania here at the field today with another field test. I've tested this motor quite a bit before. This is the Multistar Viking 2208-2600 motor from Hobby King. Today I'm running the Gemfan 6045 carbon nylon prop, picked up from Banggood on a recommendation from RC Plane Pirate. Did some bench testing with it yesterday, and again just blown away by the numbers on the bench. You know, this prop seems to be really well suited for motors that are like 2600 kV and below. This will be the third field test I've done on it. Running the Turnigy AE45 speed controller with 22.5 degrees timing, 24 kilohertz PWM on 3S. So let's give her a whirl. So it's only drawing, it's very efficient for the power. Mid throttle, it's only drawing about 15 amps, and but producing about 640 grams of thrust, which is about a 40 gram increase over the the 6x4 APC gas prop. But what really blew me away is at full throttle, it's only pulling 36 amps, but it's producing 1190 grams of thrust at full throttle, which is about 125 gram increase over the 6x4 APC gas prop with the, you know, same ESC settings and battery and everything else. So very impressed. And you know, that's really efficient power to get almost 1200 grams of thrust for only 36 amp draw. And the best I can determine, this is about a 39 amp motor, so I'm running it below what it's rated at, so we're not pushing it too hard. Still tons and tons of torque. I don't really see, I thought I might see a little drop in whole shot acceleration with that extra pitch, but I don't really. I think maybe because of the extra power it's producing, it compensates. You know, even though the prop may take a little while longer to spin up, I don't know. But tons and tons of torque, so let's just wind her right out here. Too fun, baby. So I've been super impressed with this motor. I've been running it a lot in my F18 version 5. You know, it is probably the most expensive. It is the most expensive at full price. Nice. Of all the quad racing motors, at I think just under 29 bucks now, US. But I've, you know, luckily enough, this one and another one that I'm waiting for, I've picked up on sale. This one for about 16 bucks. And the second one for about 21 bucks. So, you know, if you keep an eye on them, you can pick them up for pretty reasonable. Okay, so I think that was my alarm here. Full throttle downwind just because we can. Okay, so that's pretty exciting. You know, I'm really impressed with that performance. Again, this Gemfan 6045 carbon nylon prop is really well suited to these motors. Just unplug it here, check and see if we got heat issues. Okay. No, I mean the motor's a tiny bit warm. It is cool here today, you know, it's only, I think, about 7 or 8 degrees Celsius, but not a problem. I don't think we were pushing the motor. I think actually the speed controller's cool, dead cool. So yeah, really good setup. Again, you know, big shout out to RC Plane Pirate for the recommendation. You know, big thumbs up as always there, RCPP. Much appreciated. You know, very inexpensive prop. You know, it is an expensive motor, but this is a fairly inexpensive speed controller. Again, if you can pick it up on sale like I did, I think it's well worth it because it's got plenty of torque. You know, good top end speed. Match it up with a prop like that. You know, just getting really great efficient power. You know, compared to some of the other motors that I've been running. You know, of course, higher kV. you know, a lot of those are pulling up closer to 40. So if, you know, if that's something you want to, you're a bit concerned about, then yeah, this was a great combo. So yeah, so there we go, folks. Multistar Viking 2208 2600 kV motor, Gemfan 6045 carbon nylon prop, Turnigy AE 45 speed controller, 3-cell battery. Just an excellent combo. Again, probably better than 2-to-1 thrust weight ratio at full throttle, and probably about 1-to-1 at mid throttle. So got to be happy with that power and the efficiency. So thanks very much for watching. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise, the other sound of freedom, baby. Take